Chittaranjan Locomotive Works, India's premier locomotive manufacturer, is also the world's largest locomotive manufacturing unit and produced 402 locomotives in financial year 2018-19. It has been producing most of the passenger and freight locos. Production witnessed a jump of 75% over the last year from 250 in 2014-15 to 431 in 2019-20 to support 100% electrification and Make in India initiative. It surpassed its own world record by producing 431 locomotives in 2019-20. This was achieved despite the COVID restrictions creating disruptions at the fag end of the financial year. It diverted its effort today towards producing hospital beds and other equipment in the fight against COVID-19. It has started producing hospital beds and shelves as per medical standards. These are to be supplied to nearby KG Medical Hospital to create emergency quarantine facilities for COVID-19 patients. To start with, CLW has produced 35 beds and 50 side dryers for the hospital. Jai Hind, keep up the good initiative, and we are really proud of Chittaranjan Electric Locomotives today. Thank you.